I am an endangered species. There are places that I will set foot in, they will definitely kill me. When a boy declare a fatwa on someone's head, ndị Igbo are slumbering. Tete n'oge erugo mgbe Igbo ga-eji were their rightful position in the committee of nations. Faith must connect you to your purpose. I have a vision. Do this and do that. That will bring this. This will bring that. The Igbo Ordinala encompasses every facet of our human endeavors. We must blame the Nollywood for giving the wrong notion to the minds of people about ihe gbasara Ordinala. The executive governor of Anambra State. Calm it down. What is happening in Anambra shouldn't be happening. When you stop people from going to the river to perform spiritual rites, what if they go insane? Why are you in the company of Mazi Dibia? That guy is an antichrist. He is teaching Igbo. We need them more than we need P2B.
But we had touch of what Aguleri represents in the Igbo cosmology.
Aguleri is the spiritual side of the whole Igbo race. For us to be great, we must come meziwe tiwaka. Under the hip-hop culture, as X-type, extra-talented young progressive entrepreneur. Faith must connect you to your purpose. My purpose in life is where I am today. Because when you watch me, when you see me speak, you will know that this is spiritual than it's physical. Connection with the Aguleri did not happen because I wanted to come. We came as normal cameramen this year. The next year, we came back as honored titled men. I was also sponsored to be part of the Ezeri cabinet. It is ancient Idueri kingdom, a kingdom that has been existing. Abezenwe the 34th on the throne, and he is not ordinary. Ekwesigi excursion of students. Agana that's Aubugad. When we connect our brothers, we will point them to that direction. The doors will be open, and they will connect spiritually to their ancestors down to that kingdom.
Can you challenges in in this your journey?
I am an endangered species. There are places that I will set foot in, they will definitely kill me. When a boy declare a fatwa on someone's head, I was alone. I was a voice in the wilderness. So I took a for the threats. How dare you come and tell us our history? I don't live a normal life.
Own a land. Secure your future. Invest with Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited for your peace of mind.
And when other unifiers?
Sure, anyway. Ofado how we're doing it, but they don't have voice that could echo. So Nnamen TV was there to amplify their voices. I've always been skeptic about politicizing the movement. Most of the people that I have amplified, when a political undertone, they want to be politically relevant. They want to be the people that controls the narrative. Internal politics. I have a vision. Amplify these people's voices. Let them preach. Not for political gain, not for political relevance. Do this and do that. That will bring this will bring that. And I connect. But a lot of my contemporaries too, propaganda. Now I'm interested in ego. I did not just sign endorsement deals. I still bring these companies to aid Ali Igbo. How many people in Mege? Name the vision. My choro ka ime and I name ihe choro. Ka obila imene. I want a result. So owo mmadu na-eme. Ndị Igbo are slumbering. Wake up. Tete n'oge erugo mgbe Igbo ga-eji were their rightful position in the committee of nations. Provided we are still doing the work of God, nobody can take offer from another man because we have a mission.
Kedu role you feel in Ordinary Igbo play in uniting and creating that bridge to connect in the Igbo?
Ị na-ekwu okwu na ị chọrọ ịkpalata onye Igbo nke na-azụ eketa, onye ụkwa anyị na-azụ eketa. Kedu ihe ị ga-eji akwa ọdịnala? Because the Igbo Ordinala encompasses every facet of our human endeavors. Ordinala is about law. Ihe ji jide onwe anyị, ihe ji ebi our day-to-day life. Abịa na ịlụ nwaanyị, Ordinala we justify kedu ote shalụ nwaanyị. Ote shilụ nwaanyị here, ote shilụ nwaanyị. The only thing dị iche wụ na ị nara ji atọ, mụ nara ji anọ. In Igbo there is no bastard. Ordinala protects every person's rights. Onye Igbo na onye Yoruba nwere nsogbu. Ikpe with Ordinala ya emebie because ha awụ ofu. We must blame the Nollywood for this bastardization, for giving the wrong notion to the minds of people about ihe gbasara Ordinala. Asị nwa mụrụ n'Aba ma ebido mụọ ihe ndị aghọta ka m ji na-ahụ ihe ndị.
Ihe ị na-eme enwe ka o si ebutelu gị ezigbo ihe ka ọ ajọ ihe even among the ranks enwe any form of envy.
Having such a powerful title of Anyanwụ naturally it is attracting and bringing envy. Ezebuilo, Ishibuogidi is the meekest and the most down to earth. So I defeat hate with love. I have people who are taking care of me. I don't even ask them. People like Gaius Chibeze, Bishop Uzekwesi. To them, it is responsibility God to take care of this man. Why are you in the company of Mazi Dibia? That guy is an antichrist. No antichrist. I an antichrist. He is teaching Igbo. So now say let them stop persecuting Mazi Dibia and the rest. Now in Igbo spirituality, we need them more than we need P2B. What is happening in Anambra with the governor shouldn't be happening. His approach, Beziridika on a wage crusade. We know that there are bad people. These are religious people. You don't tell them not to sacrifice to Dia. When you stop people from going to the river to perform some spiritual cleansing and spiritual rites, what if they go insane? So the way he is approaching this thing, I kill you in the name of God. Live and let live. Let them practice their religion. They shouldn't be held under hostage or under duress. The executive governor of Anambra State, calm it down. But let him not prove that he's on a mission of crusade to exterminate people who has a different religion from him.
For your best live streaming experience, where you as a creator can earn and the followers earn too, download the Heyom app.
For end-to-end secure messaging with awesome video and audio call services, download the Heyom app.
The best social media platform on board now is
Heyom.
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 Download the Heyom app on Play Store for all Android devices. This Igbo chieftaincy now, do you think that it has been bastardized? Or Kadikwakodi before? That potency, that relevance since Owaganiru?
If you don't value that which is sacred to you, to your people, nobody is going to give you value. And it is expected. And it should be encouraged. Communities, should line up merit. So jide ofo jide umu Igbo. Ka responsible. Each one of Igbo. Lota ulo. Ka wear this red cap as a symbol of honor. Ineko. Aben occasion, you the red cap. Why don't you encourage other people? But who was a red cap chief? Hold it with every vigor. Protect it because thank you.
This Nnamen TV, what is the choice of the name and then what is it all about? Why the name?
Nnamen TV. A company of two persons. Muna Ezbuto Kwakam, Tyrone, Odunze. I be the Nnamen as normal content factory. So God arrested Nnamen, reposition why I say let's use the platform and start a movement, unify Igbos now. The choice of that name, Nnamen, it's an exclamation. Nnamen, give me exclamation. Nah. I be there. I am an oga awuro shiriketa.
Inwele akọpụlụ iche ịchọkụ ụwa nọ. Inwe ife dị n'obi ịchọ ikwu gbam. Inwele ife dị omimi ịchọkụ onye ọbụla malụ. Onwele akala aka izole ezo ịchọkụ ụwa fụ na inwe passion for. Bịa na gbam ka ụwa n'onu yi. Inwele business ịchọ ikwunye n'ọkụ. Onwe product ịchọ gosoro na gbam. Ịchọ ka ife ị na-ele, ife ị na-eme na-aga as viral as gbam. We are here for you. Contact the number on your screen. Bam is the biggest Igbo interview in the world. Come and find out for yourself.